What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Hope you guys had a great week today. It was a shorter week because of Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving as well. It was nice being with the family and just, having a time to really reflect and be thankful for all that we have. And, just our ability to even trade in the market is honestly pretty awesome. The fact that we have that ability nowadays. So, very thankful for you guys as well, coming out and watching the videos all the time. And I'm very thankful for all my subscribers and, you viewers. If you guys want, please subscribe. It means a ton to me, and I'll be very thankful for new subscribers as well. So let's jump right into this video. Before we start, though, I want to talk about our paper trading challenge. Guys, we got funding for this challenge. It's going to be big. If you want to join, go in the Discord, and you'll see I'm going to have a Webull link. You sign up for Webull under that link, and that will enter you to get entered into this huge paper trading challenge with hundreds of dollars on the line for whoever wins. We got first, second, and third place, all making well over a couple $100s. This is going to be huge, guys. I'll make a whole separate video about it, but that's in the link in the description below. The Discord link and the Webull link, anyone who signs up will be entered to win. But let's jump into this video, which is why I'm only buying tech. I think tech is the future. Tech has had a sort of a sluggish momentum these past couple months, but it's starting to pick up now. And I think the reason it's starting to pick up now is because people are realizing that tech is the future. Tech is so much stronger than we think it is. We're talking companies like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, these huge, Nvidia. You cannot count these companies out. You cannot doubt the impact that these companies have on our economy, on our future, on everything. Let's break them down for a little bit. Amazon. I got my almost entire account basically in Amazon. Why? I think Amazon has disrupted the way we do our shopping, do our e-commerce. That's why we have over $92,000 worth of Amazon alone in our account. And Amazon is also extending into different things like cloud storage, which is going to be huge as all these companies are now moving their data centers online. Amazon's the guy to go to for that. Let's break down Apple. Apple for years and years has been the best in the technology industry when it comes to phones, laptops, and wearables. And we cannot discredit how important their app store is as well. How much money their app store brings into them. Their Apple Pay. They're completely revolutionizing the way things are. And that is why their company will continue to grow and grow and grow. Google. Google is YouTube. Nothing is going to replace YouTube. I'm telling you that right now. YouTube has made such a strong foundation that no new company can come up and just get rid of it. It's not going to happen. They have their search engine, which is huge. They make so much from advertisements with that. You have YouTube, their search engine, and a plethora of other things as well. Microsoft. Microsoft is one of those companies that has been around for a while that consistently puts out solid products. Personally, I'm more of an Apple guy myself, but I'm not going to discredit how important Microsoft is. Microsoft has great cloud storage as well. It's not as good as Amazon's AWS, but it's sure up there. And it continues to make money as well, which is very important. Now, Nvidia, the chip king. Some can argue AMD, but as of right now, when you talk pure market cap, Nvidia, especially if this ARM deal goes through that they're trying to buy right now, Nvidia will be the number one player in the game, probably for a very long time. Now, obviously, there's space for two people, which is why AMD will continue to thrive as well. So, let's break this down a little bit. Nvidia, super strong company. AMD, super strong company. As gaming gets bigger, as crypto gets bigger, these companies will get bigger as well, okay? And that's just the way it is. They're constantly making new chips. People are constantly upgrading their PCs. People are constantly playing video games. That's not going anywhere, okay? So these companies are going to thrive because of that as well. So if you want to buy, tech, the whole tech market in general, I'd buy the QQQ. It's the heaviest weighted market cap of the top 100 stocks in the NASDAQ. So if the NASDAQ goes up, this goes up. As you guys can clearly see, it's been doing pretty well the past month, past week. 3 months, that's what I mean by it was lagging a little bit. Up until this week, as you guys can see, it was actually down a little over 1.3% for the past 3 months, which is kind of crazy considering the fact we've been kind of in a bull market recently. But tech has been slacking, but it clearly picked up this week as it advanced 2.67%. Now, tech obviously has had a pretty strong year. As you guys can see, that's a beautiful chart. Oh my gosh, that thing's a thing of beauty. That's even better, minus COVID, but we got through that. Or maybe we didn't. But tech, regardless, thrives through that. You look at companies like PayPal and Square as well. I cannot believe Square. Congrats to the bulls out there who own Square. This company is freaking phenomenal. $212. Look at this. Look at this 1 year. That's a thing of beauty. They're disrupting the way we do things. They're changing the game, and it's why their companies are advancing. And it's why I'm holding this for the long term. I'm not selling Amazon until it's like $4,000 a share. I have strong feeling that it will get there as we become a more e-commerce centric world, where we bring our technology to AWS, stuff like that. And that's why I got I got 2 long leaps puts on Apple as well. I think Apple's going to just continue to thrive as well. As you guys can clearly see, we're already up $150 on that. We did that earlier this week. We can get a maximum of $15.20 out of it, so another $13.70 more. I would probably just hold this till expiration, or till at least I'm up like $1,200, maybe close it out. But Apple's solid. Like I don't doubt Apple, and it's why I do these positions. I got my credit spread on Amazon as well, saying that it won't go under $2,800 by January 15th. We're already up 162 on that. We can get another extra 258 out of that. I'll probably leave that almost till expiration, probably till I can only squeeze out like less than 100 more. I'm bullish on tech. Okay, tech's been slacking. That's why the account hasn't really done too much over the past month. We were starting to do pretty well, and then tech kind of went into this little like meander phase, but we're starting to move now, and I'm excited. I'm really bullish, and I'm excited for the way tech is. And I'm excited to see where stocks like Amazon and Apple will go. I'm curious to see how many of you guys own tech. If you guys own tech stocks, put them in the chat. Put stocks in the comments that you think that I should, think about looking into. Square, I really want to get into Square sometime, but I feel like I'm too late on it. I mean, probably looking way into the future, probably not. But as of right now, Square's had such a huge run up, I don't even know if I could buy it. But there's a lot of big tech stocks out there, and a lot of stocks that are disrupting the way we do things, like PayPal. PayPal's really, really come up, and respect to all the bulls in that. So, guys, tech is the future, and it's why tech has helped us, make a nice little almost $2,500 this week. Just holding pure tech. We got our CVM as well. That's not tech. That's biotech, actually, so kind of tech. But yeah, guys, I like tech. I think tech's the future, and I think you got to have some sort of tech in your portfolio. I feel like it's a must-have at this point, especially forward-looking. You got to have part of your portfolio in tech. Maybe not like me, not like 100%, but you got to have some of your portfolio in technology, especially Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft. Facebook's another good thing I forgot to mention. That company's amazing, and their social media is just, they're basically a monopoly, but no one's going to come and make a new thing. TikTok's trying, but it still doesn't take away from the fact how big Facebook and Instagram are, and they make so much on their advertisements. It's crazy. So that's really about it, guys. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you guys had a wonderful day today. Let me know in the comments below how you did this week, what stocks you're holding. And, like I said, you want to join this paper trading challenge, the link is in the description below. Take it easy, guys. I'm going to make a video about this paper trading challenge later. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.